For applying Saudi visa, we have to visit official website. Check in Google, visit Saudi. That is the official website for Saudi visa. For Indian nationality holding GCC residency, we can able to apply Saudi visa online. It will be valid for 1 year, multiple entry. So once you reach in portal, we have to select here visa regulation, because in visa application portal will be different nationality wise. So always we have to check visa regulation. On the basis we have to select the visa portal. If you are applying visa on wrong portal, visa will not come. So that's the main important thing we have to make sure first. Select here visa regulation. On the visa regulation, just select your nationality. I'm just selecting here India. From here we can get all the detail about the visa portal and regulation for the Indian nationality. And from here select India and select here I am holding GCC residence. Then we can check here, there are two visa type available they are giving. One is e-visa and another one for transit or stopover visa. Both information, fees, regulation, validity, entry type, everything clearly mentioned here. If it's transit visa or e-visa, both cases they clearly mention here. And from the e-visa we can also able to access the official website for applying e-visa. If I just click the apply now, then it will be redirect to the official portal. On that portal we can able to apply the visa. This is a requirement for the GCC resident. So it's the same portal we can check if you don't have GCC residency, what is the regulation, especially for people who are getting on arrival visa option. Those people also have eligible for applying e-visa. So in that cases their visa portal and regulation, their document requirement, fees and everything is different. So we can check what is the difference in between GCC resident and visa on arrival category nationality. From here I'm just selecting nationality France. France is visa on arrival category. And here we can see there are three visa type they are giving. One is e-visa, visa on arrival, or transit or stopover visa. Both information they mention here, the fees, entry type, validity, everything they clearly mention here. Now we can check what is the difference the website nationality wise. So I'm just selecting here India, and for I am GCC resident. From here I have to select e-visa. From e-visa apply now. Yeah, this is the official website for GCC resident, that is KSA visa. For applying the visa we have to create a login ID, then we can apply the visa. Visa we will get instant. So whenever we are applying the visa, make sure the details we are mentioned as per the passport. If any mistake, once visa we get, we cannot able to do any amendment, and visa will be valid for 1 year, multiple entry, and maximum stay 90 days. So this is a website for the GCC resident. Now we can check the website for visa on arrival category. So I'm just selecting here France. From here I am selecting e-visa and apply now. From here apply now, and we can check, we can see the official website for visa on arrival nationality, that is Saudi e-visa. So both visa you can see difference. So here they listed what are eligible country for applying visa through this portal. So make sure whenever we are applying the visa, first check the visa regulation. On the basis we have to select here nationality. That's a very important thing. Hope you guys understand the requirement for the Saudi visa and how to apply and how to choose the website. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and support. Thank you.